So I'm coming up to 3 decades in this industry. Here are 3 things that I think are the most important that people need to understand when it comes to finance. And one of them is probably not exactly that you think we should be there, but the first one is compounding interest. Yes, I know everyone talks about it. It's essentially getting paid interest on the interest that you've earned in the past. If you understand compounding interest well, that will mean that you will start to invest earlier to take advantage of it. But most people only learn this later in life. So for the younger people that are listening to this, start early. Even if it's a small amount, make an effort. Where to invest is really important. So compounding is one part of the puzzle, but then to invest into the right asset class. And there are so many conflicts of interest in our country, particularly when it comes to residential property. But there are plenty of fund managers out there that want your money to invest into different asset classes. For me, my investment mentor is Peter Thornhill, that so beautifully explained why invest into the share market, which for me is investing into businesses over property, over cash for the long term works. Check out Peter Thornhill's book, Motivated Money. And the next part is, which is a very difficult one to learn, and that is investor psychology. Knowing how to behave during the best of times and the worst of times these things move the needle, and it's probably the most difficult thing to learn because it just takes time. And while everyone knows the theory, sell at a high and buy low, the theory's fine, and our logical mind knows that that's the theory and how we should behave, but how you feel during those times will override it completely. So when markets crash, you know you should be buying, but the fear as you watch your assets go down in value, the fear will drive your decisions. So understanding investor psychology, particularly when it comes to share markets, is my number 3, and probably the one you wouldn't expect.